Okay, welcome to the laboratory. We have a little project we have to do. We're making some colors for a custom job. We got ice, mauve, yellow, green. We've made the ice, not the immigration service. It's like a light blue. And this is the mauve color, which is a reddish, like the rainbow, only a little different. So, what do we need? CMYK. For those of you that don't know, that means cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. CMYK. And in order to achieve a color, there's a number here associated with how many grams of each. In the computer talk or on the paper talk, when you're printing, these are how many colors are coming through on 4 screens, and that's gonna. There's no green, but there is a cyan and a yellow. That's gonna make the illusion of green. So the colors mix, right? I think you understand pretty straight up. Yellow is made with 2 blue, 16 magenta, 68 yellow, and 0 black. You wouldn't even think there's any blue in it, but there is a little bit for this shade, the shade we're trying to achieve. So bam, look at that. Coolio. So there's 2 grams. Oops. 2 grams. Now we have to do 16 grams. 16 grams. Here's 10 of a magenta. So here we go, 16 grams of magenta into the blue. That's going to make it a kind of a purple. And then we're going to do 68 of yellow. So that's kind of a 1. This is 2. 3. 4. 5. What do we say? 68, 5, 6. So that's 60. And then we do 8 more here. And there you go. Believe it or not, that is 68 yellow, 16 grams of magenta. What color does that bring us? Yeah, some yellow. I squirt some down there. That's a yellow shade. And then we have to do a green shade here. That should be pretty fun. The green, we have 41. 41, that means 4 of these. This is a turquoise, which is cyan. This is always fun. Ba-boom! That's cool. Here we go. 2, 20. Oops. 20. Oh, come on. Sometimes you just gotta start over. 30. 40. 41. And then what did we say? 31 magenta. That's something. 31. That's 10. 12. 20, 30, and 1. That's 31, and then we got to do 85. I also got to do 5 of black, but instead of black, I use my dark navy, which is pretty close, because that's black is made up of these colors anyway, just in a different proportion. So as the dye, now we got to do 85 of yellow. All right, that's going to be the green. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 3, it's 30, here's 40, here is 50, here is 60, there is, oh, your fingers get worn out, there's 70, 70, and then we're going to go 80 right there, and then 5 more right up to here. Alright, 5 more, so that gives us this lovely green color, which we'll see in a second. Oh, look at that. So there's the color, green. And then we have a mauve color. It'll look better on the shirt. It's like a brown. Ice blue. And then we have our beautiful yellow. Alright. And that's how you do it. Stay tuned. We'll look at some results after I dye some clothes. Alright, peace.